Hello there friends, welcome back. I'm Heather, and if you're watching this in May as it's coming out, we are in Make From Scratch May over on fitmamarealfood.com, and we're making food from scratch. Now, not just your average meal, but we are taking products that you would buy in the fridge, on the shelf, in the freezer, in a can, and we're making them at home with real food ingredients. And today we're gonna make some decadent chocolate granola. And this granola gives us these delicious, amazing clumps thanks to the cacao butter, which is what I actually use to make homemade chocolate. And it's super soluble at room temperature, so it really helps to give you that delicious, big clusters in your granola. And if you love that in granola, then you're going to love this chocolate granola. So let me show you how you make it. Here we go. That is our super decadent chocolate granola, and you can really use any nuts or seeds that you want in it. I think hazelnuts would be delicious, you know, chocolate and hazelnut, so good, but use what you have on hand. But definitely give this one a try because it tastes like dessert. And what's fantastic is that it's a lot lower in sugar than the ones that you would buy on the shelf at the grocery store. So enjoy that. We have some homemade crock pot yogurt also on the blog right now. So if you've been curious about how do you make yogurt at home, I have a very easy recipe over there that guides you through the step-by-step of how to make it at home. And then you can make your own yogurt and granola and make this whole homemade breakfast to enjoy for many days throughout the week. If you tried this recipe and enjoyed it, be sure to give a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you thought of it, and subscribe so that you can see all the good stuff coming up next. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.